Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create Blast Furnance in Minecraft. I will show you how to create. It is much better than normal Furnance, and you may also leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Let's go. So to create Blast Furnance you must have Furnace in the middle, 5 iron ingot and 3 smooth stone. And you have Blast Furnace in Minecraft. Okay, and we did it, it is recipe to create Blast Furnace. So I hope I helped you. You may also leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. I also invite you for my other videos for beginners and for advanced Minecraft player. And thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye.